Today's video is going to be so much fun. We're going to make a centerpiece for $15 in under 10 minutes. It's going to be a blast. It could be a show-stopping centerpiece for any occasion. Are you excited? Great, me too. Come on, let's jump right in. Okay, here are the things that you will need. A pack of leaves. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. Assorted arrangements of florals and leaves, also from the Dollar Tree. A circle wreath from the Dollar Tree. Assorted candles, again mine, Dollar Tree. Everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree. A runner, and last but not least, a table. Okay, so you're gonna need a table. Mine's is a wooden table we thrifted at the Goodwill for $10. Can you believe it? What a deal, right? My husband sanded it down and also restained it, but literally anyone can do it. It's so easy. Comment down below if you want a video on how to do that. All right, first you take your tray and arrange the candles however you want it. Ow, what is that? Oh my goodness, I've been looking for this. In today's episode of Random Things You Find in Your Pocket, I'll place mine like this. Yep, that looks fine. Okay, so once the candle is assembled to your liking, then you're gonna put down the leaves. Okay, mine is only for decoration, so I only went ahead and took the sticker off. But if you're gonna be using yours for more than that, please make sure that there's no plastic or anything that could be harmful to you and your family or flammable. Please make sure too that the tray is not gonna catch on fire, okay? Take care about you and your safety. Place the leaves anywhere you like. I just dump them in there. They'll fix themselves. Autumn, autumn, you're so fun. They'll begin to adjust themselves around the candles. Oh yeah, also if you're gonna light your candles, please don't have the leaves in them. You see? They just adjust themselves just like that. Wow. Looks just like autumn. I love autumn. If there's any leaves left standing, you can just go ahead and lay them down. Place them any way that you like. But for the most part, that's how it looks. So there's one piece of the arrangement. Next, we're gonna work on the face. If it's a little bit dirty or dusty, you can go ahead and give it a quick wipe. I just like to use a regular microfiber cloth, but you could use anything you want. You can wipe it on the inside and the outside as well. Once the vase is to your liking, we're going to go ahead and add the floral. Just put them in one by one or a whole bunch at a time. If you choose to do it one by one, you can try to rotate the vase just to give it a more full look. Here's the finished look. Alternatively, if you have a specific look you're going for, you could just set them up in your hand as a bunch like this and then stick them in the vase. As you can see, it's already pretty sturdy, but if you wanted it even more sturdy, You could use one of those floral foam blocks that they sell at the Dollar Tree. You can get it any shape they have it. You can just cut it to the shape that you like. If you want to cut it, it's pretty easy. You just measure out the shape of your vase, take a knife, and go down like that. It should pop right off. Like so. Pretty easy, right? I made mine into an awkward circle. Then you simply pop it in your vase, and then you stick the flowers in. It's that pretty hard, but it will get right in. See? Those of us that are doing the bunches, I recommend taking the foam out, holding it in your hand, and sticking the flowers in your desired fashion. Like that. Stick your foam back in the vase and adjust your flowers if needed. Using a clean rag, wipe off any excess styrofoam or debris you might have found. And then I like to go back around in circular motions to make sure I didn't miss anything. Once you have cleared off your table from any dirt, dust, or debris, go ahead and grab your tablecloth or runner if you have one and or wish to include one. I have a runner. Spread it out like so, and if you have a tablecloth, just spread it out over the table. It should look centered like this. Don't worry if it's wrinkled. The arrangement will cover it. Take your floral arrangement and place it at the center of the table. Position it to your liking. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and place the arrangement we made to your liking. Arrange any leaves as needed. I went ahead and made a second one for a more full effect, but that's completely optional. If you have a wreath circle, you can go ahead and collect it now. You can either wrap it around the base of the arrangement like so, or you can leave it long ways along the runner or the center of the table for a more scattered leaf look. You can just go ahead and tuck the ends right underneath the arrangement we made for a more seamless finish. Go ahead and adjust it to your liking. If you have some twinkle lights or fairy lights, go ahead and place them now. Came in a pack of 3 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I'll be using 2 for these arrangements. Go ahead and position them onto your liking. You can hide the ends either under a leaf or in the arrangement itself. When you turn them on, they will give your arrangement the most magical glow. So there you have it. A show-stopping centerpiece for under $20 and less than 10 minutes. You can make this as big or as small as you want. Either way, it would look beautiful because you made it. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.